Wanna come here, 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 come here. Epic family begging a second, man. Wanna come here. Them said this up my Flatbridge today. So it's either today or yesterday. But look at that. Look at that. Somebody tell me why this can't be fixed. From a baby till now, me I hear about people that drive off a Flatbridge. At one point when I was younger, I think I heard that them say every time them try to piece the bridge, it fall off. River Mama, mermaid, whatever, lick off the bridge. Me hear all kind of superstition. What did you hear about Flatbridge? More you drop that in the comment section. What's the reason you hear say Flatbridge can't fix? Why them can't put railings on it? Because I don't get it. I don't get it with modern engineering. Why are them say this can't fix? Them piece the bridge a little bit. They make the bridge a little bit wider. Put up some railing on the bridge so it can be safe. Even if you not make it wider, why railings can't go on it? See, them have all that the concrete out there so on both sides. So why it can't have railings on it? To prevent all of this thing. Every month you see a vehicle run off a Flatbridge, you know. Dive off, you got dive up people along there, you know. Every month, so I hear them say it can't be fixed. Please, somebody rational tell me why can't Flatbridge be fixed? I am dying to know that. Why them can't rail it up to prevent all of this chaos? Amount of life lost on Flatbridge. You can't count them. You cannot count them. But yet still Flatbridge not fixed. Year in, year out, we end up with the same problem year in, year out. Why can't Flatbridge be fixed? Nobody can tell me that. Please, somebody drop it in the comment section because I know enough, I want to know a little bit more than me where this is concerned. So please, fling it down in the comment section. Make me get to understand why after umpteen years, Flatbridge still can't fix. Why? Why? I don't get it. Somebody have to go break down this to me. Because I see what's so hard to put up some railings on it. I not see what's so hard. Like I want to rail up the highway. Like I want to rail up the steep hill where I come down Portland there, so when I drive out of Portland I head down to St. Mary there, so the hill they go down there, so all I have barrier on it. So why you can't put them kind of barrier there on Flatbridge? Why? What's the reason you heard? I'm asking everybody, what's the reason you heard why Flatbridge cannot be improved over all of these years? So much of the infrastructure updated in Jamaica, but not Flatbridge. Flatbridge, I see them where it stay from me a little baby till now. From me in a nappy. No, man. More hear your thoughts and take. Drop it down in the comment section. Share it for those that need to see and hear it. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel as yet, please do so. Father Epic World on YouTube. Father Epic World on YouTube. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Father Epic TV and Facebook. Hold on the like button or hold on the follow button. The options will pop up. Click favorite so you can get the video when they drop. As they drop, so you don't miss a beat. See, pre. With that being said, this is where the video ends. Excuse me? Chow breadcrumbs. I'm catching there. Excuse me?